Now KCET 2025 candidates, so your option entry has already started and tomorrow is the last date for filling it. So I know that all of you have already prepared your option entry. I expect that, right? And there might be now a confusion, like you want to modify it, you may want to add some more options, you may want to delete some of the options that you have already added, or you just want to rearrange your option entry. So in this particular video, we are going to talk about how you can add, delete or rearrange your option entry so that you can make the best option entry for you. So there are slightly technicalities that you should be knowing, the numbering and all. So I'll be explaining you that in detail. So please don't worry and watch the complete video so that you don't have any doubt on these topics. So first let us talk about how to add new options. So if you just visualize your option entry portal, it is on two sides, right? On the left side, you have left side all the colleges and these options are given to you, and whichever, and here you have boxes to add numbers to that, right? You have boxes to add numbers to that. Now when you add any number here, or you just put this as, suppose one option you put at 1, suppose this is XYZ, then what will happen? This XYZ will be visible here at number 1, right? If I keep this one is 2, which is ABC, then in the second option I'll get ABC, right? We are having two columns like this, and whatever changes you make on this side, the left panel, it will be visible on the right panel. I hope this is clear. So now if I want to add, for example, I have already added 3, 4, 5 and 6 options. Okay, so let this 3 be D, E, F, then I have fourth as G, H, I, and I have J, K, L, and then I have M and O. So I'm just taking random examples. So let me just put here 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what is 3 my? I have D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L and M, N and O. Okay, that's done. Now there are so many other options which I haven't selected for my option entry. Now suddenly I feel that okay, let me just add one more college. You have already prepared 6 list of option entry. You want to now add another college. So how to do that? So that is very, very important, and I'll tell you how to do. So I'll just take one example here. You can see that this is the, can you just see and tell me whether it is the left panel or the right panel of the option entry window? So it is on the left panel, right? Here we used to add the numbers and it will be visible on the right hand side panel, right? So this is the left panel. Now suppose you want to add any college list here, okay? So what you can do is simply you have to go and you have to, for example, in Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Technology, mechanical engineering is something which I want to add. It is not there in my option entry now. And in which number I want to add it? I want to add it in the 4th number. Okay, so what you simply have to go, you have to go and type in front of it number 4. Okay, just go on the left hand side panel and click on it number 4. Okay, so in that case what will happen? This 4th option one will get inserted there, and which one was earlier 4th, that will go in the 5th one. Okay, so once I have entered this Dr. Ambedkar 4th, so you can see in this one, in the 4th option, I have got Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Technology, Mechanical Engineering. Earlier this was my 4th, 5th and 6th. Now what will happen? Once I entered that, right, total now is 7 options I have. So that came in 4th, and this one which I was having Dr. PG Hallakatti College, that became 5th, and SK SJT, that became 6th, and you have RV College, that became 7th. Okay, so you just have to go to the left panel and whichever colleges you want to insert, and on which number you want to insert, just click that number in front of it. In the right panel, it will automatically get inserted and the rest colleges will get adjusted according to that. I hope this is clear how to add colleges. Okay, so now you can see I have an option entry of 7 colleges which I was earlier having of 6 colleges. Now suppose you want to delete some options. You find that okay, I'm not interested in this particular college, or the fees is too high, or the location is not good. Somehow you decided one college which you want to eliminate from your option entry. So what you have to do? Here you have to go to the So you can see this is the, again, which panel, left side or right side? This is the right side of your option entry list, right? This is the right side. So remember, to add any new option, you should be doing the changing on the left panel. That will be visible on the right panel. But to delete any option, you have to go to the right panel. And here you can see already, I can show you how it was visible. It was visible like this, right? This option number was there. So simply you have to go and whichever option entry you want to delete, okay, the one which I inserted, for example, this BLDE, I want to delete. So in front of that, just type 0. Okay, so once you type 0 here and then just click on update. Okay, update is there at the below. So once click 0 and then click on update, you will find automatically this one will be deleted. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this fifth one, which was the BLDE college, that got deleted from the option entry, and I have 6th and 7th now. Okay, now what I have to do, second option I'll give you. Third, what we can do, rearrangement of options. Okay, if I want to rearrange it, so what I will do now, so now you see this was 4th, okay, this is 6th, and this was my 7th option. But I found something that RV College of Engineering is a top college, so that should be coming at first in my priority list. So what you can do now, just go there. This was earlier number 7. Now you make it, or in front of it you have to write it 5. Again, this is on which side of the panel? This is on the right side of the panel. Okay, so you have to just go and click or type here 5. So now what will happen, there was 4, 6 and 7. Now this one will become 5, so this one will come above this one. Okay, so SK, SJT will be at the last, and you will have RV in the 5th position. So let me see, once then again you have to click on update button. Once you click on this, you can find here that after Dr. Ambedkar, you have RV College of Engineering, Electrical and Electronics at 5th number, and the 6th one is your SK, SJT. Okay, so in this way, so let me just repeat once again. If you want to add any colleges, on the left panel you have to just go at what place you have to add that number, and next one, to delete any option in the right panel, in front of that option entry, just put 0. And if you want to rearrange, so if you remove that option, you want to take any other college to that position, you want to rearrange, then again you on the right side panel only, which college you want to take first, second, just write the number in front of that. It will automatically get adjusted. Okay, so I hope students this is clear to you. Now we have done a lot of videos on the counseling process to explain the process, to find how to find the colleges. We have given you a very important tool also, those who are following our channel. So you can see this, just go to our Diksha Karnataka YouTube channel, scroll it, and you can find complete KCET 2025 option entry process. So if you have any doubt on how to do the option entry, please check this out videos and then do. And here we have all about KCET counseling, top college reviews, cutoff wise. We have done so many good videos on this. Do watch out them. Okay, so students, that's all in this video. So actually I have found a comment where a student was asking how to add new options. So to answer that question, we have made this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. So thank you for watching, and subscribe the channel so that you can get more such content. All the best for your KCET counseling process.